So if we wanted to find the greatest common factor of 36 and 54, what we're looking for is the largest factor that these two numbers have in common. The first thing we have to do is break each number down into its prime factors using a factor tree. So I can start with 36, and I know that 12 times 3 is 36. 3 is prime. I know that's 3 times 4 is 12. 3 is prime. 4 is 2 times 2. So 2 is prime, 2 is prime. So I've broken down 36. Now I need to break down 54. So 6 times 9 is 54. I know that 2 times 3 is 6. And I know that 3 times 3 is 9. 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 3 is prime, and 3 is prime. So now that I have each number broken down into its prime factors, I'm going to write, there's a 2 here, a 2 here, a 3, and a 3. So if I multiply 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, I'm going to get 36. And over here for 54, I have 2, 3, 3, 3. So the next thing you have to do is pick out the shared factors between 36 and 54. So right here, I have a 2 here, and I have a 2 here. Now, there's no more 2's over here, so they don't share any more 2's as factors. This 3 and this 3, there's a 3, there's a 3, there's a 3 here, and a 3 here. So now they share a 2, a 3, and a 3. So now that I have the shared factors, to find the greatest common factor, I just multiply their shared factors together. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So the greatest common factor of 36 and 54 is 18. I hope that helped.